In chemistry, today we will learn about Unit 9 Solutions. Students, you have learnt about matter and the classification of matter in your lower classes. We know anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Matter is classified into pure substances and impure substances. Impure substances are otherwise called as mixtures. Students, most of the substances that we encounter in our daily life are mixtures of two or more substances. The substances present in a mixture may exist in one or more physical state. For example, when we burn wood, the smoke released is a mixture of solid carbon and gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc. In some cases of mixtures, their components can be separated easily, whereas in some other cases they cannot be. Consider the two mixtures, one which contains salt and water, and the another which contains sand and water. Water is the one of the components in both the mixtures. In the first case, salt dissolves in water. In the second case, the sand does not dissolve in water. Sand in water can be separated by filtration, but salt cannot be separated as it dissolves in water to form a homogeneous mixture. This kind of homogeneous mixtures are termed as solutions. Let us know about the solutions in day-to-day life. One of the naturally existing solutions is seawater. We cannot imagine life on Earth without seawater. It is a mixture of many dissolved salts like sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride, etc. The another example is air. Students, we know air is a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other gases. All the life forms on the earth are associated with solutions. Plants take solutions of nutrients for their growth from the soil. Day-to-day human activities like washing, cooking, cleaning and a few other activities involve the formation of solutions with water. Similarly, the drinks what we take like fruit juice, aerated drinks, tea, coffee, etc. are also solutions. Therefore, the ability of water to form solutions is responsible for sustenance of life. Students, let us learn the components of solutions. Students, we know that a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Students, what is a solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. In a solution, the component which is present in lesser amount by weight is called solute. So, in a solution, the component which is present in lesser amount by weight is called solute. And the component which is present in larger amount by weight is called solvent. The solute gets distributed uniformly throughout the solvent and thus forming a mixture of homogeneous. So the solvent acts as a dissolving medium in a solution. So which one is acting as a dissolving medium? Solvent acting as a dissolving medium in a solution. The process of uniform distribution of solute into solvent is called dissolution. So what is dissolution? The process of uniform distribution of solute into solvent is called dissolution. Students, A solution must at least be consisting of two components, that is, a solute and a solvent. Such solutions which are made of one solute and one solvent, that is, two components, are called binary solutions. For example, in sugar solution, how many components are present? Yes, we know two, sugar and water. So, sugar solution, it is the example of a binary solution. In a sugar solution, water is one of the component and sugar is one of the component. Sugar is act as solute and water is act as solvent. So, here two components are present, water and sugar. So, this is the example for a binary solution. Let us see another one example. Formation of copper sulfate solution. On adding copper sulfate crystals to water, it dissolves in water, forming a solution of copper sulfate. Here, copper sulfate is one of the component and water is another component. So, in a copper sulfate solution, there are two components present, copper sulfate salt and water. So, here that is one solute. Solute is copper sulfate and one solvent, that is water. So, it is a binary solution. Similarly, a solution may contain more than two components. For example, if salt and sugar are added to water, both dissolve in water, forming a solution. Here, two solutes, see, salt and sugar act as solute. Here, two solutes are dissolved in one solvent, that is water. Such kind of solutions which contain three components are called ternary solution. See here, salt, sugar and water, totally three components present. So, this solution is called as ternary solutions. Okay, students. Next class, we will learn about types of solutions. Thank you, children.